2005 Mazda Miata convertible. Obviously in silver with kind of dark gray interior. See, we have some ground effects that have been added to this one, sharpening it up a little bit. Will that race car look? Underneath the hood, 1.8 liter. Paired up with an automatic transmission. This one does have power steering, power brakes, and AC. Say paint on it's in very presentable shape. There's about 79,000 miles. We'll check it when we start it up. Take a look at the odometer, see the exact miles. There's a couple little touch-up spots if they show up right there. But again, for one that you can get in and drive, have some fun this summer without breaking the piggy bank, great car for that. It also has both tops. You have the soft vinyl top on this one, and you'll have the hard top too to almost make it look like a coupe. I'll show you that here in a second. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you'll be able to see the still pictures on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. There's over 100 pictures of this car. You'll be able to see the hard top on it, the soft top up, and obviously the top down like we have it here. And before I'm done with this video, we'll pop that soft top up so you can take a look at it too. It's like new. Very, very nice shape. All right, cloth interior. There's a lot of people liking these cars because if you're going to be out in the sun a little bit, you don't have that leather or vinyl heating up. It gets a little hot in the legs if you get shorts on. Again, automatic transmission, power windows, power locks, AC, a little aftermarket Kenwood stereo added. AC does blow cold. That Kenwood stereo does work. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As far as the hard top, let's take a look at it here. Now, if you watched any of my other videos with the hard tops, know the stand does not go with it. The top will be put on the car when it is shipped, and the stand will stay here for demonstration purposes and the next time I need to use it. There's also a couple floor mats that I will throw back in the vehicle. I just took them out so we could picture up the carpet. You can get a good idea what the carpeting looked like. Hard top, obviously you can see in nice shape. All right, back to the car itself. Still pictures. Once again, take a look at the underside of the car. Very clean, solid. This car spent the majority of its life in Texas before coming to the Midwest. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. These cars did have four-wheel disc brakes, and again, they are power. Riding on the Mazda alloy rims. BF Goodrich radials. And you can see, again, paint is very presentable on this one, especially for one you can get in and drive, have some fun with. All right, let's start it up, show you the interior. We'll look at those exact miles. Others, I'm talking about the carpeting, nice shape, and I will throw those floor mats back in here. Obviously, they'll get shipped with the car also when it is purchased. Seats free of rips, tears, much wear, anything like that. You can see in good shape. It's been a well taken care of car. All right. There you go, 79,888. Kenwood stereo, AC controls. Obviously the stereo works. It does have a little different speaker added behind the headrest, so you can probably hear it better going down the road with the wind in your hair. You can see the dash, nice shape. Appears this car was stored indoors. And the only light on is the seatbelt light, since I don't have that on. No check engine lights, any warning indicators, anything like that on the dash. All right. The one thing I will tell you is take a look in the trunk mat, or the trunk liner was not present in this car when we received it in, so I just want to give you the heads up about that. And you can see that in the still pictures. Car runs and sounds just like you'd expect a stock Miata sound. All right, I'm going to pause this video a second. I want to pop the hood so you at least check out the engine bay. Let's take a little peek at that 1.8 liter. Here's that 1.8 liter. reliable power plant. Like I said, economical. Consider this car for some summer fun. Again, don't have to break the bank. Nice smooth runner. Strut tower brace, firm it up a little bit. Again, power steering, power brakes. All right, one last thing here. I'm gonna shut it off, close up the hood. I wanna put that top up and show you how nice a shape that soft top's in. So let's hold on a second.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go, vinyl top up. Again, like I said, very nice shape. Practically like new. Rear glass is, or rear window is glass, I should say. Rear defogger in there. So if you need to flip the soft top up, keep in the shade, out of the rain and the elements, any of those, it's gonna work great for that. And don't forget, this also has that hard top I mentioned earlier. It's got both tops. 2005 Mazda Miata convertible, just shy 80,000 miles, 79,000. Automatic, give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it, it's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation of this vehicle. It may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call entering.